Okay, thank you very much. So my name is Shin-ichi Tanabe from Waseda University, Tokyo, Japan. So Professor Olesen speaking about the gas phase air cleaning product. So it's a gas phase air cleaning product. Air cleaning product is important for the particles, of course, you know, and so that's why we developing to the test method for measuring perceived indoor air quality for using testing the performance of gas phase air cleaners. Of course, it's air cleaner is not only for the gas phase, but also for the particles and the aerosol like COVID-19. But this time we focus on the gas phase air cleaner and measuring perceived indoor air quality. I'm a little bit back to the ISO TC146 SC6 is for the indoor air. We are standardized for the indoor air quality measurement. At the moment, I'm a chair for the SC6, this indoor air. The standardization of any matters within the scope of ISO TC146 dealing with the indoor air. But gas phase particles, odors, microorganisms, and emission from the building products and furnishing. The definition of the indoor environment is very wide. So not only the building and homes, but also we include the cabin of the vehicles. Now it's a very a lot of standards coming from cabin of the vehicles about chemical emissions or others. And at the Secretariat, the VDI Germany. So I'm working under the VDI Germany at the moment for 23 participant members and the 15 observing members and 6 liaison and 1 liaison external. And at the moment for 53 standard is discussing, and 50 of them is already published. And most of them it's defined sampling, standardized testing, materials emission, olfactory assessment, and load vehicle cabins. But this time we have new liaison with the IEC TC59 Joint Working Group 17. So IEC means International Electrotechnical Commission. And joint working group is working with ISO TC142 and household and similar air treatment electric appliances. So we have a liaison with the air cleaning device committee. And at the moment we are working for the draft of the standard, and we are waiting for the voting result for the DIS of this standard. The scope is measuring the perceived air quality that is applied for assessing the performance of air cleaners for gas phase pollutants. Already on Professor Olesen is mentioned about the principle of perceived air quality measurement. And this method is applied to the gas phase air cleaners because we have ISO 16028, so that's for the sensory test for the building products, and part 30 is indoor air. So we have a test method for sensory test for indoor air. So it's harmonized with the standard for testing gas phase air cleaners that will be standardized by ISO TC142. So it means for a lot of standardized body is concerning for this study. And this is the test chamber method. So not very difficult. Here is odor emission sources like bioeffluents and even the building product or some old carpet or something like this. We put in the number 5, it's air cleaner. So we put the same place in the chamber and the mixing well, and also outside the air is coming, and also this is for the ventilation. And from suck some part of the air to the another antiroom, so sniffing by panel by people here. If we have another device in the duct, so we put in the duct inside air cleaner, also possible to test. And when after the outlet of the room air, so we asked to the person for the acceptable scale, or even for the perceived odor intensity with the category scale. This is just acceptable and clearly acceptable, or clearly unacceptable. This is for like we call the Yaglo scale for some odor intensity. So that's we are going on, collaborate with the Annex 78 for more standardized activity for the how to measure perceived air quality for the air cleaning devices. Thank you very much.